Friction durability and nanowear of extremely thin diamond-like carbon films depends on film thickness. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Nanotribology is a key technology for the advanced mechanical industry. The development of advanced micro and nanomechanical systems, biotechnology elements, automobile mechanics and so on have been realized in recent years. Nanotribology is a key technology for the advanced mechanical industry. The development of advanced micro and nanomechanical systems, biotechnology elements, automobile mechanics and so on have been realized in recent years. Tribological durability properties of extremely thin diamond-like carbon (DLC) films, target thickness 0.035 nm. Deposited using filtered cathodic vacuum arc (FCVA) and plasma chemical vapor deposition (PCVD) methods were evaluated using load increase and decrease, ball-on-disc, and low-load reciprocating friction tests. Friction durability notably increased at a certain film thickness for FCVA to DLC and PCVD to DLC films. These thicknesses were nearly equal to surface roughness and corresponded to film thickness at which the nanowear profiles changed from protuberance to grooves and at which nanoscratch resistance increased. Excellent friction durability of FCVA to DLC films, thickness greater than or equal to 0.4 nanometer, evaluated by the rapid increase in the friction coefficient, was observed. In contrast, the friction durability of PCVD to DLC films gradually increased when the film thickness was 0.6 nanometer or greater. When the thickness of the DLC films was 2.0 nanometers or greater, the films did not exhibit a rapid increase in their friction coefficient within the total number of testing cycles. The tribological properties of extremely thin DLC films depend on film thickness. Extremely thin FCVA to DLC films exhibit excellent wear resistance. The film thickness at which FCVA to DLC films endured the total number of test cycles was approximately 1/5 the corresponding thickness of PCVD to DLC films, evaluated by the three different friction tests. The friction durability notably increases at a certain film thickness. FCVA to DLC films, thickness greater than or equal to 0.4 nanometer, exhibited excellent friction durability. The ratio between the durable film thickness of FCVA to DLC and PCVD to DLC films was about 1/5. Friction durability dependence on thickness corresponds to the nanowear properties. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.